cold out
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask Auntie Shelly, how do you make these bloom up? You know what I mean? Instead of having bloom out, you can bloom up.
Because those plants are not plants to bloom up, they have to bloom out.
No, if you probably chop them right, you probably could get them bloom up.
Oh, well,
Like
oh,
trim.
to bloom up you have to cut the bottom, cut
Yeah.
off the bottom leaf them. Yeah,
I'll have to
the
ask.
small ones.
I'm gonna ask Auntie Shelly.
Yeah, because Monsieur should do hers. She cut off the bottom ones them so that the top ones them get more energy so it grow up.
Oh.
hey come on Captain, I'm not sniffing.
Oh Malik, they're coming out, good eh? I didn't even know. You think this one will come back?
It doesn't look dead.
I feel dead, but the one there right there so feel dead. That one. That one? Is it? Leave it for now.
Yeah, so you can check.
You're gonna cut off all of that?
It might be dead.
Hmm?
It might be dead.
It probably never. Well, me I go buy
It's dead.
we'll take him out. Me I go.
It wasn't even rooted.
There's no root in that. See this one coming back up too. Maga, see this?
Yeah, I know.
But really, especially alone where mom they give me and plant them somewhere over here. They should be pushing somewhere about the place. Under this I need for clean up. So hey, me buy my plant. Me no want nobody give me a piece of them plant no more. Malik, you have to use the thing and click them.
What are you videotaping?
Mom, I was out here with my mom.
With your mind?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can take the scissors and cut off. I don't know if now you have to
I'm
do
not
it.
chopping down nothing right now.
Holy, look at this. I didn't know there was flowers. What? Look, boy, I said, don't touch it. Whoa, all the birds. And clean out in the settlement.
Listen, I didn't come up here for a specific job.
I'm asking her if you're videotaping the plants.
I'm videotaping Malik and you, my son. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Sweet potato pudding, sweet potato pudding. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. 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 Sweet potato pudding, guys. They're getting there. Look at that. They are getting there. It's coming. Oh my. Getting there. Getting there. They're getting there. Getting there. They are getting there. Look at that. Look at this. Nice. Nice. Have to get something to put right there. Nice tree. Time is coming. And right